Want to know a way through which you can earn more than $1,000 without any website, without any skill, and without any paid tool or investment? Hello friends, welcome to InfoTalks. Today I'll be sharing a unique way through which you can earn $1,000 or more very easily. I'll be sharing with you a website which has huge amount of traffic, and using that website you can very easily earn more than $1,000. That will be proved in this video. I'll share a step-by-step process, and if you have not subscribed to my channel till now, please do subscribe it and enable the bell notification as well. I do come live on YouTube on every Sundays. If you want, you can come live on YouTube and ask me any questions which you have. Also, you can join our Telegram channel. I'll share the link in the description section. I come live online on Telegram group from 9 to 10 p.m. every day, so you can ask whatever questions you have in the Telegram group. I'll definitely try to answer them. So I'll take you to my computer screen and share the complete steps through which you can easily earn $1,000 or more without any efforts. Make sure that you watch this video till end, because if you miss any step then you won't be able to do it as I have suggested, and you won't be able to convert your affiliate link into an earning. Friends, as you know, our series is related to online earning, and in which mostly I share ways related to affiliate marketing. Today's video is also related to affiliate marketing, and we will be selecting an affiliate product, and then we will be using that website which I am going to share with you, which has huge amount of traffic, which will help you convert that affiliate link into sales and earn more than $1,000. So we will take up ClickBank for taking an affiliate product. If you don't have ClickBank, then you can use Digistore24, Warrior Plus or JVZoo, because you can find similar products or same products even on other platforms as well. So it's not necessary that you use ClickBank. If you are having an account in ClickBank, then you can use ClickBank. So friends, in this strategy, first of all, we will have to select an affiliate product, and if you are a beginner, I would recommend you 3 niches which are very good for a beginner. That is, first is make money online niche, second is health, and third niche is related to relationships. So it's upon you which niche you are selecting, but today we will be selecting niche related to make money online. So when you log into ClickBank, you can click on marketplace and you will get an interface. Here you can see there are so many categories, because ClickBank provides products on almost every category. So we have to select our category related to online earning, that is e-business and e-marketing. So when you click on your relevant category, you will get these products. You can sort these products according to different things like rank, like which product is selling more or converting more, or you can select them according to average commission. So whatever the average commission is, according to that you can select the product. Like you can see, here is a product which is offering you $1,500 for a single sale, but I have selected a product for you today that is a very good product, and it is related to affiliate marketing. It is basically a course, and it's a very popular course. I have also done this course, and this course is a pro course. When you want to earn with pro ways, like you want to earn with paid ways, then you can use this course, and I definitely recommend you all to do this course. So this is a course I will be showing you. This is super affiliate system course, and you can see it is offering an average commission of $651 US. So just 2 sales you can make money more than $1,000, that too very easily, because I am going to share with you a platform which has huge amount of traffic, and making 2 sales, just 2 sales on it is very easy. So first of all, we'll have to take link of this particular product which we are going to promote through that website, and I'll share how you can promote that. Don't worry, you don't need to write or create any content, because I'll be telling you a way through which you can find content very easily without any efforts. So you'll click on this red button, promote. When you click on this button, a pop-up opens. Like you can see, this pop-up is related to this particular product, and it will provide you with a affiliate link. So you don't need to worry about these options. Let it be on default and click on the button below that is saying generate hop links. Like you can see, there is a link below, it's showing a link below, that is your affiliate link, and that link you have to use. Clicking on this link, people will buy your product and you will generate affiliate commission. So you copy this link and save it in a notepad file for now. Now we have selected the product. The next step will be to go to that platform, and I'll show you the huge amount of traffic that platform is having. So friends, this platform is SlideShare. Yes, this is a very good platform, and I'll show you amount of traffic which this platform is having per day. But first of all, you can log in or register to this platform using your LinkedIn. Although I tried with Facebook as well, but Facebook was not working. So it's better you use LinkedIn, and if you don't have a LinkedIn profile, it's very easy. Go to linkedin.com and register yourself for free very easily using your email ID. And once you are registered, use the same credentials to log in by clicking this link, login with LinkedIn. So I have already logged into my SlideShare account, and as you can see that I am here. And if you want to see the traffic it has, like this particular slide is having a traffic of 9 lakhs. If we see further, we'll click on see all. I'll show you, like you can see, this slide was added 6 minutes ago, and this is having views more than 27 lakhs. Again, this slide was uploaded 6 minutes ago, and it is having views of 57 lakhs. Like this, you can see there are few slides which are 1 year old, still they are having good amount of traffic. This means that whenever you add a slide here with your affiliate link, then you can keep on earning till long, because if that particular slide or that particular content is good, then definitely it will have demand and views. And when people come to that slide, click there, access your link, then you can generate sales very easily. So this is a platform which we will be using for our further steps. Now I will be telling you how to add that affiliate link which we have selected. We have selected a product, we have copied an affiliate link for that product. Now we will be using that affiliate link on this particular platform, and it's very easy. You must be thinking how you will create this slide. Don't worry, I'll share with you a free way through which you can get these content very easily. Add your affiliate link, add a slide here, and then you can start earning through your affiliate link. So before I show you that way, let us see how much traffic this website SlideShare is having. If we go to similarweb.com, as you can see, it's already open with me. You can see its global rank is 522. So among the millions of websites on web, it is having a rank of 522. Now if we see the traffic, it is having a traffic of 108.5 million, guys. So this is a huge amount of traffic, as I have already told you. Because it's having so much of traffic, that's why the slides were having that much number of views. Even if your slide has 1% of views, even if your slide has 1% of views, then is it difficult to have only 2 sales? Just by those 2 sales with the product we have selected, you can very easily earn more than $1,000. So now let us see how you will get that slide content. So for that, you will go to Google and we will search for free PLR downloads. So this is a website where you can get free downloads of resources, that too copyright free. So when I click on this link, you will see that these are the PDF files and all are copyright free. You can easily download them. You can edit them, add your affiliate link, and then we will use in that platform, that is SlideShare. In SlideShare also there is a specific strategy which you have to follow, otherwise you will not get that number of views on your slide. and definitely your efforts to place that slide won't be successful as you won't be getting any sales. So keep watching this video till end. So guys, what you have to do, you have to select a category here first because we want to download an ebook. So I'll select ebook, and as our niche, our product is related to affiliate marketing, so we will select a same type of ebooks. So I'll go for affiliate marketing, and as I search affiliate marketing, I'll get lot of ebooks. So I have to choose from those ebooks. So we can choose this ebook. You can choose ebook according to what you like in that ebook, but this ebook is good because it's saying that affiliate marketing A to Z, means for a beginner till advanced, this affiliate marketing ebook is there, and lot of people are beginners in affiliate marketing, so they must be definitely interested and searching for a content for beginners. So you have to just click on this ebook and you will find this ebook here. So these are not download links, don't click here, these are just ads. We'll just scroll down and you'll find this blue button. When you click on this download button, a zip file will be downloaded. You don't need to use that complete zip file. When you extract that zip file, you'll find a PDF that is only required for our strategy. So you will access that PDF, and now we have to place our affiliate link on that PDF. You have to edit this PDF to add your affiliate link, and it's very easy. Again, I'll tell you a free way through which you can very easily edit this PDF, and then we will be using this PDF as content to be placed to SlideShare and begin our earning process. So again, we'll come to Google and we will search for PDF Escape. So PDF Escape is a tool which is an online tool. It is having a desktop version as well. I'll click here and this is open. You will select on free online. So this is a free editor. You don't need to register even. So here we will select the option of upload PDF to PDF Escape. Now you will choose your file. So we'll choose the file. I have chosen the file. It is uploading, and you can see the same PDF which we saw on the free PLR ebook website. We have opened it up in PDF Escape. Now we have to add that link. It's very easy. I'll tell you. Like, I'll just scroll down and find some place where we can add the links. Like, you can add links after every 3 pages, or you can read the content and decide accordingly where to add that link. You can even add the link on the text content, but it's better if you add your own content and create that link like an advertisement. So it's simple. I'll click on text. Now you can easily type in this PDF. I can even change the color. I can make it bold. So now my text is ready. I can add a link here. To add a link, it's very simple. You will have to click here, link option. Now I'll select that particular portion where I have to add the link, and as you select, it will open up a pop-up where you have to add that link which we saved for our product, for our affiliate product. It's very simple. I'll just paste that affiliate link and click on OK. Our link is added, and similarly you can add links after every 3 pages, or if you can read this ebook, then you can add accordingly where you feel like adding it. But I'll suggest you add these links frequently so that you get more and more clicks. So it's simple. After you add that link, you will click on this blue save button. Now your PDF is saved and you can download it through this green button showing below. Now my PDF is ready, my content is ready to be placed on SlideShare, and I'll be sharing you a way through which you can get more and more views on your SlideShare content. So friends, now this is my SlideShare platform. I am logged in and I'll click on this upload button. As you click on upload, it's very simple. You have to select that PDF file which we have just created, and as you create this PDF file, this is uploading. Now you have to complete all other steps that I told you, like you have to change the title if you want. Like if you want, you can keep the title, but I want that I should change the title a bit, and as you change the title you can see this discovery score is increasing. Now you have to add description. So adding description is again very easy. You don't have to do anything in this. You will just open up that PDF file which you are placing here and just copy some content from that PDF file. Like we have opened it up, and I'll take some content from its introduction and I'll add it there in the description section. Now you can see as I add the content, this score increases. Now you have to select a proper category. So for earning there is no specific category on SlideShare, so let us select internet because it's related to affiliate marketing, and affiliate marketing is related to internet. Now lastly you have to add appropriate tags, and that is something through which you will get more and more views on your slide. And the more views you get on your slide, there is a chance that you can get more and more sales. So I'll add appropriate links, like it's related to affiliate marketing, so we should add affiliate marketing. This even gives you suggestions, so you can follow the suggestions, or you can place those tags according to your knowledge. Now you can see this score is completed 100%, and now your slide is ready to be published. Now what you have to do, just click on this publish button and your slide will be ready. So your slide is ready and you will start getting views on this slide soon. And as you get views on your slide and people click on this slide, read it, they are going to click on those affiliate links and you are going to get sales very easily. So friends, this was an easy way, and I told you it's a website which is having huge amount of traffic, and even if you get 1% of views on your slide, you are going to make more than 2 sales, and you can earn $1,000 or more very easily. It all depends on what type of product you select and what type of ebook you select. How do you place your ebook on SlideShare? If you follow the steps which I have told you in this video, then definitely you are going to make sales. If you have any queries, you can comment below in the comment section, or you can join our Telegram channel and you can query me. I come online every day 9 to 10 PM on Telegram group. If you like this video, then do hit the like button and share this video with your friends. If you have not subscribed to this channel, then subscribe it now, else you will miss more videos on online earning which I am going to cover in the coming times. So we'll meet in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep growing.